My why is being able to fit back into fashionable clothes that make me feel fabulous. When I met my husband Mark, I was a ball of energy, but after having children, my weight piled on. I feel my heart pounding just climbing the stairs. I knew something had to be done. When I joined WW, my eating habits had changed. I started cooking food a lot at home and I do a lot of baking. It's about making the right choices. I still eat my cakes. Altogether, I've lost over 4 stone and I've been given a second chance. And when Mark tells me I look amazing, it's the best feeling. He's been my rock. I couldn't have done this without him. But the best thing about my journey has been being able to dress funky again. It's a running joke as well in my family. Whenever I buy something, it's got a little element of glitter in it. Recently, I went shopping for a pair of size 8 jeans. I was absolutely buzzing. Now I'm the first one to say, let's take a picture. And I'm right there in the front feeling fabulous.